Family and friends, welcome. We are gathered here to join Madison and Brady in marriage.
Morning skies are glowing. I've been picturing this moment.
Brady, for the past couple of weeks, I've been reflecting on the 3.5 years we've spent together as a couple and how much we have grown together as individuals and as a couple.
Into the next chapter.
Maddie, I say these vows not as a swear or a promise. I say these vows as a life I will cherish and honor forever. I cannot wait to forever hold every moment for the rest of my life with you.
Up and away. Up and away.
I truly never thought I was going to find someone who loved me for me, accepted all my flaws. You are truly the definition of what a partner should be.
Take my hand, we'll start.
This new chapter of our lives is going to hold a lot of ups and downs, but one thing I promise you is that each and everything we go through, I will always be there to comfort you and let you know how much I love you.
We won't stop reaching for the moon. Lean on me.
You are so kind, loving, and patient with me. Sometimes I think I do not deserve someone as amazing as you, but I'm so happy I'm yours and you are mine.
I cannot promise I will always be able to solve all of your problems, but one thing I can promise you is you will never face them alone. I truly believe there is nothing you and I can't conquer in this life.
Feel the fire burning. Watch the pages
I was trying to pinpoint the exact moment that I knew I fell in love with you, but honestly I couldn't. Because from the first time together, Brady, being with you has always felt like home.
It's all in the timing.
You don't do this for many people, if anyone, but somehow, some way, you always see the best in me. You're always thankful and proud of me, whether I believe in myself or not.
Up and away.
It has always felt so natural, like I was meant to love you my whole life. I'm so madly in love with you, Brady. That scares me because I don't ever want to imagine a life without you.
Take my hand, we'll start the climb. I've never felt.
Maddie, I want you to know you are the single greatest thing that has ever happened to me in my whole entire life. You make me a better person every day.
We won't stop reaching for the moon. Lean on me.
I know we like to joke around a lot with each other, but you're my best friend and my favorite person in the whole world. Thank you for always loving me, even when I know I do not deserve it.
From the moment I saw you.
You have never made me feel unloved or unwanted, or made me question your love or loyalty for me. Brady, I promise to always make you feel the same way. I promise to not only love you during the good times, but especially when life can become messy and difficult.
Bones and awaken my senses. And now my heart exists.
I promise to always put our marriage first. I promise to always support you and respect your decisions. I promise to be the best mother possible to our future kids when our time comes. I'm so excited to become your wife today.
Before I met you, I felt lost in life, not knowing who I was or who I wanted to be. But when I met you, I became the person that God truly made me to be. You gave me a purpose to be a better person every day.
My life without you. The highest of highs.
You make me the happiest person I could ever be, and I can't thank you enough. I can't wait to grow even more with you and take on life together. You will forever be my always. I love you, Brady, forever.
I often tell you that I love you more, and you always reply back with the same thing in return. But the meaning behind the statement, I love you more, for me, is that I truly love you more each and every day. I wake up on this earth, and I will continue to do the rest of my life.
By the power vested in me by the Commonwealth of Pennsylvania and the eyes of God and all gathered here, you shall forever be known as husband and wife. You make this your bride.
Some of my most childhood memories include Maddie. During the summers, we would spend almost every day together riding bikes, and our favorite thing to do, as Billy would say, eating. I truly couldn't imagine my life without growing up with you, Maddie. And I am so grateful that you have found your person to spend forever with.
I'm happy for you guys. Never would have thought he would find somebody. It's kind of crazy. I didn't know if you had flats on because, the height tonight could have been off. I'm happy for you guys. I want to see you guys grow. I mean, he's done, but you might grow.
Brady, thank you so much for treating Maddie the way she deserves and loving her so well. I am so happy she has found such a wonderful man to spend forever with. I hope you have as much fun growing up with her as I did growing up with her. I would like to congratulate Maddie and Brady and wish them a lifetime of happiness together. To Maddie and Brady.